As we heard earlier, the political fallout from yesterday's resignation of Governor General Julie Payette continued today, with questions being asked about how carefully Payette was screened for the position and why it took so long for the allegations against her to come to light. This case and the allegations also focused attention on hiring practices, employee rights, and toxic workplaces. For his insights into this case and what can be learned, earlier today, Adrian was joined by employment lawyer Lucifero.
Alex, in your experience, are toxic workplaces like that which existed at Rideau Hall while Julie Payette was Governor General, are they common?
I do have to say, Adrian, they are. They're actually more prevalent than we would otherwise think, whether it's Rideau Hall or a multinational corporation or a small mom and pop shop. These kinds of situations, and we're talking about poisoned work environments, harassment in the workplace, bullying in the workplace. They do poisoned work environments, harassment in the workplace, bullying in the workplace. They do happen across the spectrum of employment relationships and patients.
And how difficult is it for those people, those working in toxic workplaces, to come forward with complaints of harassment about inappropriate workplace behavior?
Mm-hmm. It is very difficult, I have to say. And the reason why is these employees fear retribution. And ultimately they shouldn't, Adrian, because there are laws in place that protect employees actually quite well in these kinds of situations. However, because of the power imbalance of the employment relationship, a lot of times employees are indeed fearful of bringing these issues up to their superiors. Sometimes they have no one to bring it up to. Sometimes they're simply fearful that their career will suffer as a result. And that's why I do have to say, I give credit to these employees in Rideau Hall that have been dealing with this situation. Credit to them for standing up for their rights and for voicing their concerns. In a situation, credit to them for standing up for their rights and for voicing their concerns in a situation that, at least on its face, I haven't seen anything, more than what has been reported in, a very toxic environment. And so again, credit to those employees. They stood up for what they believed in and and their rights ultimately. And I would say not enough employees do that.